When you're considering investing in generative AI software like CopyTiger, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. It's crucial to evaluate the software not just on its features, but how it compares to competitors in the market. Let's go through 12 things you need to know before you pull the trigger. First, CopyTiger offers an intuitive interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing both beginners and experts to navigate with ease. But while it's easy to use, it may not have as much depth for advanced users compared to some of its competitors, like Jasper AI or Copy.ai, which have more customizable options for professional use. Next thing to consider is pricing. CopyTiger's pricing is straightforward, which is great for those who don't want to deal with complicated pricing tiers. However, when compared to competitors, it can be a little on the higher end, especially if you're just starting out or don't need the full range of features. The third thing to mention is its template library. CopyTiger comes with a solid selection of templates, but it may not be as extensive as those of some competitors. For example, tools like Writesonic offer a larger variety of templates, which can be useful if you're looking for something more specific. Now let's talk about integrations. CopyTiger does integrate with major tools, but the selection of third-party integrations is somewhat limited. If you're someone who relies heavily on integrations, competitors like Jarvis or Copy.ai might have an edge due to their wider range of integration options. The fifth thing you need to know is the quality of the content it generates. CopyTiger does a good job, but it doesn't always hit the mark when it comes to context and nuance. Some of its competitors provide more refined content output, especially when you need highly creative or technical writing. Moving on, we've got customer support. CopyTiger's support is generally reliable, offering standard support channels like email and live chat. However, it doesn't stand out compared to competitors like Jasper AI, which offers more robust customer service options, including one-on-one consultations for premium users. The seventh thing to consider is the AI's speed. CopyTiger does offer relatively fast content generation, but it can lag behind other platforms like WriteTR or Writesonic, which generate text more quickly, especially during peak usage times. Now let's talk about scalability. CopyTiger is great for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs, but it might not scale well for large teams. For enterprise-level use, competitors like Copy.ai or Jasper may provide more robust solutions that can handle larger workflows and complex demands. The ninth thing to consider is the learning curve. While CopyTiger is simple to use, its AI is not as sophisticated as some others in the market. Competitors like Jarvis offer more advanced AI that can adapt to more complex writing tasks, but they come with a steeper learning curve. Next, let's talk about accuracy. CopyTiger does a decent job, but when it comes to generating highly accurate or fact-checked content, its AI can sometimes make errors. This is something to consider, especially if you're looking for highly factual content. Jasper and other AI competitors do tend to have more accurate outputs in this area. The 11th point is regarding content variation. CopyTiger doesn't offer as many content variations as competitors like Writesonic or Jarvis. These tools are capable of producing more unique content with multiple variations for each prompt, which can be crucial if you need a lot of options to choose from. Finally, let's touch on their free trial. CopyTiger does offer a free trial, which is great, but it doesn't provide as much access as some competitors. Some other platforms give you more generous free trials with fewer restrictions, so if testing the software is crucial for you, it's worth comparing. So, after all that, is CopyTiger a good choice? It's a solid generative AI tool, and it works well for many users. But if you're looking for a tool that offers more depth, better pricing, and superior features, we recommend you check out our top pick. It's a better solution for serious users, and the best part is, you can try it for free.